Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. We're now on to lot number 23 from shipment 6. It is a Honda C50 6-volt with points in green. €1,850 for a 1981 bike with only 6,170 miles on her. Condition wise, she is in immaculate condition for the age. Really beautiful bike. As you can see, front alloys in really good condition. Front mudguard, so on, and rear front carrier all immaculate. Same with the covers here. The front seat is original Super Cub 50, really nice condition. Some slight signs of spotting of rust on the chain guard, but nothing major. Rear alloy is in very good condition as well. Over the back, green. Some slight signs of corrosion on the rear indicator and some very slight signs of surface rust on the rear carrier. On to the right hand side of the bike here now, we have on the back, all very good condition, not much to make note of. The exhaust is in very nice condition also. Seat very nice too. We then have the plastics at the front, all very good. Same with the front wheel and tyres, as well as the front mudguard and front carrier. Really immaculate condition. You do have to make note that it is a 1981 bike with only 6,000 miles on her. Quite unheard of. So if you are interested in the bike, will be up for sale as well. Well, sorry, we will be taking €150 deposits on her to secure before arrival. As well as that, if you did like the video, please like it, and if you like the bike itself, wouldn't mind you commenting what you think about it down below, as well as subscribing.